Hey guys, Rad Performance here. Today we have a fucking 84 Blazer M1009
Cuck V Blazer window tray.
Yes, this will apply to all Blazers that have the stupid roll-up window that whenever you roll it all the way up and then you close the door, it accidentally shatters all of it. So you're gonna have to go and replace your glass.
Bet you I won't make that same mistake twice.
So here we have the window track. He's using a simple little right-angled hook.
This will be available on the website soon, this right angle hook.
Very soon. Get yours today. You can get this from my website, from Home Depot, from Harbor Freight, from a local swap meet.
From the DH&H.
Indeed. So what you're going to do is you're going to use that to start picking it from one end. And then you're going to attempt to pull the glass with their window adhesive all out.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We got most of it, honestly.
Yes, this has only been, go and say it's about 5 minutes. 10 minutes maybe for the whole thing. So if yours is in better shape, this should be easier.
Yeah, if it's not rusted because it was in a truck sitting in a field. Yeah.
Yep. But use that tool. You're gonna have to strip all this out, and then you're gonna want to put some rust treatment on this, and probably paint it, chassis coating, whatever you can. And then you put the window adhesive in, and then you set the back glass down into it, with this apparently being in the vehicle because there's no way to get it out without removing the lock on the side and slipping it through the tailgate.
Yeah,
So
you have to remove the locks at the